Students, now we will learn the steps involved in the extraction of metal from its ore. Students, extraction of a metal from its ore, it consists of number of the processes. So the first process, it is crushing and grinding. Students, in crushing and grinding, ores are crushed into a fine powder in big jaw crushers and the ball mills. And this process is called as pulverization. The second process is called as a concentration of the ores. Concentration of ores. Boys, the process of removing gangue, the rocky impurities like silica present in an ore is called concentration of an ore. Removing of gangue. So what is the concentration of ore? It is a removing of gangue. Okay, boys, the process of removing gangue, the rocky impurities, silica present in an ore is called concentration of ore or the ore dressing, and the purified ore, it is called as a concentrated ore. Students, the concentration of crushed ore is done mainly by the four methods. The first method we will learn, that is hydrolytic or gravity separation method. Boys, this method works on the principle the difference in the densities of the ore and the gangue, right? Now, what is this method? The ore, in this method, the ore is poured over a sloping, vibrating, corrugated table with grooves, right? And a jet of water is allowed to flow over it. What will happen, students? The denser ore particles, they will get settled down in the grooves, and the lighter gangue particles will get washed away by the water, right? The next method is magnetic separation. Magnetic separation. So what is the principle of this method? Magnetic properties of the ores. Now students, in this method, the crushed ore is placed over a conveyor belt which rotates around the two metal wheels, and out of these two metal wheels, one will be the magnetic. One wheel will be the magnetic, and the magnetic particles, they get attracted to the magnetic wheel and fall separately apart from the non-magnetic particles. The next method is froth flotation method. Froth flotation method. Boys, what is the principle of this method? This process, it depends upon the preferential wettability of the ore with the oil. Oil, you can take a pine oil, and the gangue particles by water. Now boys, in this method, the crushed ore is taken in a large tank which is containing oil and water, and then it is agitated with the current of compressed air. Boys, the ore is wetted by the oil and gets separated from the gangue in the form of the froth. As the ore is lighter, it comes on the surface with the froth and the impurities are left behind. Students, sulfide ores like zinc blende, galena, they are lighter than the impurities, so they are concentrated by this method, that is froth flotation method. The next method is a chemical method or leaching method. Chemical method, or we can call it as a leaching method, right? Boys, in this method, the ore is treated with a suitable reagent like any acid, base or some other reagent such that the ore is soluble in it but the impurities are not. and the impurities they get removed by the filtration. The solution of the ore, that is the filtrate, it is treated with a suitable reagent which precipitates the ore.